Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download an entire website using Wget. Wget is a command line tool that lets you download files from the internet. You can use it to download pretty much anything, but in this video, I'll show you how to use it to download the source code of any website to a local directory. By doing this, you can load that source code into Visual Studio Code, study it, and learn how the website was built. To demonstrate how this works, I needed to find a beautiful website. At first, I couldn't decide which one to use, but then I remembered PocketBase. Their landing page is perfect, and it features one of the most creative landing page gimmicks out there. Whoever designed it is a genius. Check this out. When you move your mouse around on their landing page, their mascot follows you around, making sure that you don't click on anything inappropriate. If you notice him and hover over the mascot, it hides. It is perfect. Of course, I want to know how they implemented this. To do that, we'll need to clone the website and study the source code. Now, all the code for websites online is public, so there are many ways you can use to download it locally. However, most methods don't give you everything, and sometimes you even have to piece things together manually. But in this video, I'll show you how to download everything. The HTML, CSS, JavaScript, even media files like images, audio, and video automatically. Before we get started, please like the video, subscribe, and let me know where you're watching this video from in the comments down below. The first thing we'll need to do is install Wget. If you are using Linux, chances are it is already installed on your system. For Windows users, you can download it from the GNU website, and for Android users, you can use Termux. I already made a video on how to install Wget on all the operating systems. Check that out if you need help. Once Wget is installed, open your terminal. You can use any terminal, but I'll be using Git Bash for this tutorial. Once the terminal is opened, navigate to the directory where you want to download the website. Then type the following command: wget-r-p-e-k-np followed by the URL of the website you want to download. Here's what each argument does here. R tells Wget to download all the pages linked to the URL you provided. P downloads all the necessary files required to display the website properly, things like images, styles, and scripts. E converts files with no extension to .html so that they are easier to work with. -K makes sure that all the links in the downloaded website are converted into local links so that the website can work offline. And finally, -np prevents Wget from going into the parent directories on the server, so it only downloads files from the website you specify. Once you click enter on this command, it will start downloading the website. Depending on the size of the site, it could take a while. Try to use this command for smaller sites that don't have too much content. If a website has thousands of articles, the download size can quickly grow to gigabytes. Once your website is downloaded, you can view it by clicking on the folder where it's downloaded, dragging that into Visual Studio Code, and if you have the live server extension installed, you can click on Go Live to launch the website on localhost. From there, you can study the source code and even try to replicate the design and features on your own project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.